Hello, YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. Well, I want to somewhat talk to you about more about this eMachine desktop computer of having a lot of different issues. And I'm going to explain to you that as well. And it is a AMD processor. Was originally built with Windows Vista. We upgraded it to Windows 7 32-bit operating system. It is connected by an analog VGA cable and also an analog audio cable as well to my beautiful 32-inch television TV. And the only issue is if you tell it to go to sleep, it will not go to sleep because it will just kick back on. It says, hello, I'm awake again. It's like, I'm not going to fall asleep. And it's like, been kind of weird, and it drives me absolutely insane because what's the point of turning the unit back off and turning it back on? You know, if you wanted to let it go back to sleep, that would be okay. It's like, hey, you use the mouse to wake it up, and voila, it wakes up, and you don't have to constantly keep it on or keep it off or turn it back on and everything else. But it's been kind of acting kind of weird. I don't know if it's the motherboard's going bad. I know the hard drive's going bad on it because this unit is a 6-year-old computer, but I do not want to spend any more money on to upgrading and fixing this old machine. But I will have to later on replace the hard drive itself as well, because sometimes the hard drive will go bad and the connections can go bad over time as well. But it's a SATA machine and it works okay somewhat of the times. But let's go ahead and fully boot the unit up here. I've been having issues with drivers not working. Some of my drivers may work and some of the drivers may not work. But I just don't know. I honestly am not a computer technician, but I will love to learn how to fix things myself. But I will probably have to take it down to a professional technician who knows how to work on computers. As you can see, I also have a wireless keyboard and also a wireless mouse for the setup when I like to use it. I don't like a whole lot of wires. And of course, start up Windows normally, and that's what it would do. If you shut it off the wrong way, you should shut it down the proper way. Now, what is the common issue with this unit? At least we added a USB 3 card, and I don't think that's what's causing the problem of the motherboard having the squiggly lines on it. And yes, I did also change the VGA to a thicker VGA analog cable. But once we wait and see if it boots up, this computer is very, very slow. It only has 3 gigs of RAM DDR2, and not DDR3, and a very slow hard drive. It's a mechanical drive. But let's see if she's going to boot. I hope. Any day now. There she goes. And yes, it takes a while for everything to load and process and everything. It says, welcome to Windows. Well, thanks, Windows. Now you can see here's all my icons on the desktop computer itself, and it seems to look pretty okay now, but once it loads up and finish booting and everything, it just spins happy, I guess. Let's go into here, go in devices, and going for the loot. And this is, you can exit that. This is the only problem right here. I don't know if you can see that. But this is all the devices. It's what's recommended for this computer. Sometimes my USB won't work, or sometimes USB drivers won't work. It's like, really? It's like, holy. Now I'm going to show you. If I put this computer to sleep, And that's watch what it does. It's gonna be hilarious. It wants to go to sleep, but automatically kicks back on and it starts back up. I don't yet. Honestly don't. See? It kicks back on. That's the one issue with this computer as well. I told it to go to sleep, but it kicked back on. Means it turned itself back on the sleep mode. It overrides the sleep function on this computer. And I do not know how to fix that. And sometimes if I put it to sleep, sometimes my USB hub down here will not work. That means I constantly have to turn it back off and turn it back on. But everything does seem to work. And if you want to see what the hard drive is, I can go up here, make it bigger. And that's the hard drive, that's the OS. That's the hard drive, it's somewhat full. But I don't know. I honestly have no idea how to get this computer to go to sleep. I can go here to the sleep function, power settings, and change everything on this computer to able to let it go to sleep. I just don't understand why. Display time shut off in 15 minutes. The computer will go to sleep in 20 minutes. That's what I have it set to. And I just don't understand why it doesn't work. Alright, if y'all are going to understand, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Please like, please share, peace out, bye guys. Well, I'll hopefully see you in the next vlog.